Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. Today I have another quick review for you. Today, these are gear ties from Nite Ize. And I really do like this product. These things are basically twist ties. They're twists to help, let's say, hold extension cords, etc. Perhaps some gear, some tarps, maybe if you're into camping, some tents, you can basically secure that. And I have two different sizes. I picked these both up at Home Depot the other day. These are the 12-inch and these are the 24-inch, and we're going to look at these today. So I have a little extension cord here that's, of course, I looped up, but these things kind of get unorganized after a time. You can hook them up on a hook, but it's really nice to either have something you can hold these more securely with, and this is the 12-inch version of the little twist. You can see they're kind of rubber coated here. They have a little protective cap right there that helps protect from pokes, and essentially there's a wire inside that can conform to the shapes you want. And these are really easy to secure. You just grab them, you kind of twist them. In this case I could just twist them once, and then you can just kind of twist it like that and then tuck the ends away just like that, and it holds securely. And you can kind of move this around knowing that your cord won't unravel. Now the bigger ones are actually even more versatile. You can see here I just open this up and they have a little hole at the end. You can actually just kind of stick the end there and actually make a little lasso out of this that kind of helps retain your gear. Now I have an even bigger extension cord here, and we'll just loop this around. This thing is mammoth, so we'll just kind of stick it in there, loop it, and then you can just kind of tie it, and there you go. It's pretty secure, just like that. Now you could either just leave it like this, or you could do it just like what we did with the 12-inch one. Take this thing out like that and just do the more traditional kind of wrap like that once around, and that seems a little bit more secure in some situations. Now what I really like about these ties is just their versatility. You know, you can use them for anything that they kind of hold on to. Here I just put this little electronic board on, and if I want to do a little bit of soldering, you know, I could, it allows a little bit of a hold that I can kind of rotate, you know, do the back, and it just gives you an extra kind of like a third hand that helps you hold what you need to hold. One thing you do want to be a little cautious about is it is just rubber surrounding a wire. Now the wire inside, if you bend it in one place over and over again multiple times, the wire could break, and then it kind of ruins the little twist. But as long as you're careful, these should last many years. And there you go. That is the gear ties from Nite Ize. Again, this is 12-inch, 24-inch. There are a couple of other sizes you could take a look at, but I really do like these, and they do come in handy. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.